What is up, guys? We're back again. I just got a gimbal, so I'm using that now, and I'm loving the way that the videos are coming out. Right behind me is the Mercedes and my brother's pickup truck here. I'm just gonna do a quick little video of the Mercedes. I haven't started in a while. It's got a fuel leak, but nothing major for now. I'll fix it eventually, but right now it's gonna have to stay that way. I just want to say thank you to all the of you that have subscribed, and I really appreciate it. Lots more videos coming soon with the gimbal. It should be smoother, better videos. I'm just gonna do a quick little startup on the Mercedes, and we're gonna cut to the clips in a few seconds. Keep in mind that it's smoky. Yes, I know it's got over 300,000 miles blow by, but it runs pretty good. Just keep in mind that I know that the smoke's there. Everything else going good. Busy summer, so it's hard to work on things. I also plan on doing a lot more dirt bike videos. If you guys are into that, I hope you are, so stay tuned.